fear is the most powerful tool you can use against a human being. But nonetheless, I'm still holding. Yo guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah guys, straight ahead kake. I know it's been very long time I haven't posted. So yeah guys, during the challenge is still continuing, right? So I just decided to get myself some portable mini speaker. So yeah guys, now I just received my package right now, so we are going to unbox it together, and then after unboxing, yeah, we charge it and then we play it. So guys, yeah, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe and follow for more. Okay guys, so this is the package that I received from Amazon that I've ordered online. So yeah guys, let us open it. Let's open the package. Okay guys, so here's the package. It has been unboxed. I opened it, so let me open it. As you can see, fresh from the box, it is the JBL. Oh man, I've been wanting this for a long time. Okay guys, right now as I open it, looks good guys, smells good. So yeah guys, here it is. Package is finally here. So yeah, you'll see what it says for us. It looks good though, looks good. I like what I see. It's a good one, it's a nice one. So here comes with some instructions. These are just the instructions, the cable. Yeah, this I guess is literally everything that we needed here. So let's turn it on. Okay. Okay, that is nice. This is it. Let's go back to the charts. Yo guys, today I didn't feel like recording, but nonetheless, I will show the analysis later. So today I didn't have chance to record like my today's trades. So today we traded GBP USD. It took us out. Yeah, it took us out. But nonetheless, GJE I entered, and then I saw that I was wrong with my analysis. So right now I've just entered some GBP CAD. So yeah, let's see what does this pair have for us. And then as you can see, there's my SL. So let's see how it's gonna move, or how it's gonna move. So yeah guys, it is what it is. I will do the analysis later. Right now let's just let it breathe. Let's give it a chance to breathe. Some big map, as you can see guys. So yeah, just gonna to test food the same way the market has been milking me. I'ma milk this food guys. Okay guys, so I've entered GBP CAD. I'm checking it right now. Oh man, seems like they took us out. Yo, we might fail the challenge guys. Yo, sorry, it seems like we lost 50% of the account. Oh no, but otherwise guys, we are done for the day. Yeah, we shall come back next time. So I don't know, this is what I decided to get. I don't know. Yeah, it looks nice though. No, we need something 100% guys, 100%, not water. Like I need something that has that that good nyana taste guys. You get me? Don't try this at home. You don't try this at home. Hey, you got a damn fish, nigga. Don't. Okay guys, I just entered a trade right now. Okay guys, I just entered a trade right now on CAD-JPY. Let's enter the trade on CAD-JPY. Let's see how it's gonna move. I hope it will move. So yeah guys, there you go. I've entered the trade on CAD-JPY. Let's see how it moves, because remember we are still continuing with the challenge. Yeah, you can see we are down in losses, but it doesn't matter. Let's just trust the process. Right now it is 5:22. Let us check our trades. Oh, TP hit. Wow. Let us see. Okay, we get in there. Ah man, I was supposed to eat this thing for $50, 50 rand. Oh man, oh, the TP was too close. But nonetheless guys, we traded it, we killed it. Yeah. Guys, this to a back, it's coming back. we're not gonna make mistakes. The challenge is continuing. We're gonna pass it, guys.
Our last trade was on a US30.Eurist. It went into profit. I forget to record it and blew our account.
So yeah, guys, it's trade. Okay, I'm back. So guys, as you have seen, yeah, man, the challenge was tough, man. Man, it wasn't easy. So we failed the 200 challenge, but man, it doesn't matter. We will come back. So yeah, you can see that the 200k challenge, the 200 as a challenge to 1000 challenge, guys, you can see that was the end of it. So yeah, guys, it doesn't matter, we'll start another one and then we'll purchase the funded account. So guys, if you like more of the type of this kind of content or this type of videos, please like, share, subscribe and comment down below, and I will keep on posting, guys. This is my journey. Welcome to my journey. We are gonna go through this together.